So I'm going to share with you how to use the Google Classroom. To open the Google Classroom, every student must have Gmail account. When you have Gmail account, you can open it first. Then you can go in the top right where the Google Apps. If you click on Google Apps, you can see so many apps is there. You have to go little bit down. On the bottom, this is called Google Classroom. If you click in the Google Classroom, you can see all of the stuffs inside the Google Classroom. It is called Google Classroom, to-do list, to review, and calendar. So your school will assign you what subject you need. Today, I'm just going to talk about the Google Classroom for our NCLEX-PN review materials. So if you click PN and clicks review, so what are the content of this page? You can see here. First one is called STEAM, means what are the activities your instructor do. You can see here the class code and also who put what, also notification you can read from here. And this is people, means who work with you, who is your teacher name, and then your friend list or classmate list. You can see their name, their contact details. Here the grading system. So when you submit your assignment or quiz, you can see your score, but your instructor can see all of the student score here. But here is the main things I like to focus. It is called classwork, right? So in this classwork, you can see all of your PowerPoint, your lectures, your assignment, and quizzes. So what I want to tell you, when you open it, always go in the bottom. It is called View More. If you click View More, then go down, View More again. Again, you have to go down. There are View More again. Go down. So on the bottom, you can see week 1, right? So before week 1, I want to tell you here, there are 2 exit, sample A, sample B, practice exam, and there are 17 weeks materials is there, right? So if I go down here, it's called week 1, fundamental of nursing. So you can start from week 1. So if I click week 1, you can see the materials, means your PowerPoint, then your assignment, and also other notice there. So now go a little bit back. I'm going to show you. This is the week 1 PowerPoint recording, videos recording. You have to watch it. And in the same time, it is good if you make a note on it. But what is the videos talking about? Everything is a written form in this 3 PDF. Watch it, read the PDF, means you can put the information in your brain for NCLEX board exam. When you finish the week 1 materials, then go quiz 1. It's called quiz for 1. So if you click quiz 1, then you can get a quiz link. It is called PN fundamental quiz. So if you click on it, a quiz link will be there. You could write your name, your email address, and answer one by one. When you finish all of the question, go down and submit it. And when you submit this, the school will get notification and you will be graded according to your performance. So when you're done the quiz or week 1, then go week 2. So week 1, quiz 1, week 2, quiz 2, right? So like quiz 2 here, you see, but before quiz 2, I like to go and share week 2 materials. Week 2 is a pharmacology. You see, you click there, then pharmacology video come. What video talk? It is the PDF form. You read, watch. When you finish week 2, go for quiz 2, right? So corresponding week 2 quiz. Same way, if you click on it, you can see the pharmacology quiz. Write your name, write your email address, answer the question, all of them one by one, and submit it. Same way, you can go for week 3, week 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total 16 weeks preparation for NCLEX-PN. So if you be sincere, if you put the focus to study, concentrate your mind here, watching the video, read the PowerPoint, read the PDF. This complete package help you to prepare you for NCLEX licensing exam, right? It's a review materials. When you done all week materials, all of the quizzes, then go for exit sample exam. It is called practice sample A, practice sample B, and practice sample C. So this is the 3 sample. Before go here, I want to tell you, don't forget to review the materials from Standard Comprehensive Review NCLEX-PN book and also Lippincott practice question and prioritization delegation management book. These 3 books is the real weapon for NCLEX board exam. When you finish practice sample A, B, and C, if you get 75%, means you are eligible for final exit exam. Final exit exam, always students take in our school. In the school, we provide them computer. It is auto-proctoring system. So if you unfair, your exam will not forward, right? So this is the system we work through the Google Classroom.